This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Bobby Lawrence. This elegant, fully restored, 5,400 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, stone and brick home with front porch veranda, overlooks the Hague waterfront. This home has 11 feet ceilings, 4 gas fireplaces, gleaming oak floors, and features detailed ground floor space with a 1,600 square feet. Finished basement. Updated chef's kitchen with solid wood cabinetry and granite counters leads to a rear-covered porch overlooking a large private paved courtyard with a garden studio. Primary suite has an attached 12 by 13 office, walk-in closet, and remodeled luxury primary spa bath. Library has a gas fireplace and custom cherry cabinets. Upgrades include a generator, hurricane-proof windows, new HVAC as of 2016, $40,000 in roof improvements.